What's up guys, it's me StarkTheHacker and this is my new PS4. Actually, so now I'm going to unbox it now. This is a PS4 Slim jet black color 500 GB. Okay, so you guys can see there are many things in here. You can share your gameplay and do everything. Thanks to my sister, especially my sister, father, mother and also my brother for support me to buy this PS4 and supporting me in every single moment in my life. Okay, so thank you guys. And then now I'm going to unbox it. Okay, let's see. I need to open this sticker. Okay, let's see guys. Wow, see, this is the PS4. PS4 Slim guys, it's PS4. You guys can see the adapter. You guys can put HDMI cable, the internet cable and also some charging cable. And now let's see what is more in here. Wow, this is a manual book, PS4 manual book. Now I'm going to open this side. There is a controller and there is some cable, and that's all guys. Now I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to put gaming videos every day, so just watch it. Okay, so thanks for watching this unboxing video and thank you guys, bye.